Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can transfer a domain from GoDaddy to Namecheap, so please listen carefully. So once you're on your GoDaddy account, what you will have to do is go to your this drop down right here. So just go ahead and click that, and then you will see my products. So click that as well and wait for it to load. And once you're here, what you will have to do is go to the domains, and it should be right here. And after that, what you will have to do is select the domain that you would want to transfer, and then click manage. So just wait for it to load, and then you should make sure first that you already have your domain so that you would be able to actually do this. So after you click the domain that you would want to transfer, you will click manage, and then after that you will unlock your domain under the domain settings. And then what you will do is you will request the authorization or EPP code by clicking get authorization code, and then you will be it will be emailed to you after you get the authorization code, and then you will log into your Namecheap account. And then what you will do is you will go to the domains, which is under the account section. So go ahead and click domain list, or and then here, once you see your domain, what you will have to do is click transfer, and then you will enter your domain name and the EPP code. And finally, you will just have to follow the Namecheap's prompts and confirm via email. And by the way, transfers usually take 5 to 7 days. So you will have to double check that DNS settings and emails are working after the transfer. And that's basically just it. And you can also do this as well, which is transfer domains. And what you will have to do is basically just follow these steps. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.